Welcome to MotorMav. In this video, we have come up with a few reasons behind TBC fault Ford F250 and their solutions. Let's see. Reason number 1. Bad wiring. It can be the most common issue that might cause the TBC fault. There are a few reasons to make it happen, including any loose, damaged, or corroded wires in the wiring harness. To fix the issues, you can check for wiring problems in the area of the steering, brake switch, and cruise control switch. If you see a problem, you must replace it. Reason number 2. Switches problem. It's another most common problem for TBC fault F250 diesel, which generally may cause if your brake light switch and brake switch have a problem. In this case, you'll need to replace the brake switch. Reason number 3. Corroded connectors. Generally, when the connectors get wet by any chance, they may get corrosion and thus get disconnected. To solve this problem, clean them. Reason number 4. Faulty fuse. It's another possible reason that may cause due to a bad fuse disconnection. You can find it on the left side of the steering. In this case, first check if it has any problem. If it has, replace it with a new one. We hope this video will work for you.